Hi, my name's Gavin and I'm 6. Today I'm going to teach you how to wash your hands. Here's how to wash your hands. You plentifully use the soap and then you do this. Scrub, scrub, scrub them real good until bubbles come. And then wait until there's bubbles. And then now you scrub. Turn on the water.
Wow, buddy, you did such a great job washing your hands.
Now all germs are off.
What do you do once you're done washing them?
You dry them.
You know what? You did such a great job washing your hand. I like that you said that you needed to get them till there was all the bubbles. Do you know that you're supposed to wash your hands for about 20 seconds?
Yes.
That's about as long as it takes to sing the ABCs or Twinkle Twinkle.
I'll sing it. Can I wash my hands again?
Yeah, let's do our ABCs.
Okay.
Ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
W-X, Y, and Z. Great job. Now let's rinse them off.
Won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs.
Okay, now we need to dry our hands really well. We don't even need to use hot water. Warm water is just fine because the soap does all the work.
You touch the sidewalk, that's so gross.
And so what should you have after you touch the sidewalk?
You have to wash your hands.
And how long do you wash your hands for?
8 seconds.
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
About how long it takes to sing what?
A, B, C, D, or Twinkle Little Star. And then you do this very good so you can do it. It's the best thing to do ever.